Hey guys, what's up? Back on Bella Talk. And today we're going to do a blindfold slime challenge. I have all my slimes right here over there. Small ones, except one of the small ones is back there because I'll guess it because it's got these big large beads. It's like I'll guess it. So let's get started. Let me make slime so like I don't know. Let me put my blindfold on, guys. This one, guys. I don't know if I'm showing the camera or the thingy. And I'll do this one. Whatever. What is it? I don't know. So, I think it's a Play-Doh container or something. Okay. And a stick. Okay. It's pretty stretchy. I feel like it's like I didn't go through my slimes. Here, I'll go up. Let me see if I can. Okay, let me cover the slime so like I don't. Let me put the slime over there. Okay, so let me put it like right here. Okay, there. I covered my eyes. Okay, so what is it? I need to put that down. Okay. Put this over there. I think. Wait, did I put it on the floor? Okay. I feel like this is one of my glossy ones because the texture is very different. So I think it was a blue. The first one I think was a blue glittery one. Blue glitter. This one I think is my purple glossy. So let me look. Well, I definitely got this one right. First round right. First round, I got it right. Yay. I got it right the first round. Because my booster one. On to our second round. Okay. I'll pick this line. I'm going to pick this line because I don't know what it is because I have two in this case. I don't know what their names are. I think I do. This one feels really sturdy. I'll do this one last. This isn't the one because I put one of these and I hope it didn't melt because it feels like I put, oh yeah, I put glitter in one of these before. So like I might guess it. Oh, this one feels super good with the texture. I took it to my pals and I It's my brownie batter one. I feel like it's my brownie batter. I feel like it's my brownie batter or it's my fluff. It's very hard to rip it. Wait, I think I. Okay. This one is brownie batter. This brownie batter. Let me close that. Look at mine only. Ooh, this is the one. I don't know its name. So anyway. Now it's all gross. This be super sticky. I can't even hear the poke. It's like this is the crunchy scone one, which is scone color. Okay, ready. Okay. Oh, yep, I got this one right. Let me throw this one away really quick in this trash. This one's like really bad. And let me wash my hands too. And I definitely got brownie batter right. I have to go to my pants. I'm just gonna wipe it on my hands because I don't know where the towel is right now and I can't move it out of my spot. Okay, so second round. Good. Hope I get the next round, okay? Too, because I don't like it. I don't like losing. Next. Okay, I feel like this time would be okay. I think this slime, you guys, this time. We can do this one. This is my chocolate ice cream with vanilla ice cream mixed. I don't know. Yeah, it really is drippy. Okay, I think it's that. Next is this. This one is so white fluff. It's a white fluff. I guess it's the white fluff. White fluff. I think it's white fluff. Okay, I got the first one right, but the second one, no. This is marshmallow fluff. Marshmallow fluff. And I freak. Yes, I freak. Yes, I minute to my pals and am I missing one? Sorry, because I feel like I'm missing one. Okay, to my pals and I freak. Okay, guys, I forgot this one, but I didn't look at it, so I covered it. Okay, next round. This one and this one. Oh, this is snow cone, I feel like. I feel like it's snow cone because I have lots of white slimes, but this one feels like snow cone. Yes. Okay, marshmallow. Snow cone. And my feet gets freaked down. Delete. Next is this one. You already know what it is. Oh, it's gross. It's dried out. Pink. Snow cone. Yep, got them right. This one I got them wrong. Wait, I did 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 round. Now to our 5th round. Fifth and final round. Fifth and final round. Okay, fifth and final round. Come on, let's go. Okay, we have to do these two. Oh my gosh. First we're doing the way this like feel like that. Okay, some more. I feel like this is white fluff or marshmallow fluff because I think we already did marshmallow fluff. We already did white fluff. And so we already did snow cone. So white fluff or one of those two. I think it's white fluff. I don't know. Or unicorn. I think I did. For the first one I think I said unicorn fluff. Not unicorn, but something fluff. I might have gotten mixed up. This one, orange cream. I feel like it's orange cream. Definitely orange cream. I think it's an ASMR. Okay, this might be let me see. Okay, it was orange cream, yes, and what was this? Oh, and this was marshmallow fluff. That was marshmallow fluff. That's, oh no, I get it. Okay, all this wrong. Right, Fifth round, yes, got it right. Fourth round, got it right. Third round, got it right. Let's look into my pencil. Okay. This round, I got it right. Let's look into my pencil. This round, I did not. Okay, well, that was the fifth one. Okay, guys, well, that is the end of the video. And I will see you on, what day is it? Friday. So I'll see you on Friday and Wednesday. Yeah, so, you'll saw how about that. Bye.